I'm going to show you how to add an international number to your WhatsApp. Okay, so what you want to do first is search for the country code of the number you want to add. If it is a Australian number, Australia country code is 61, then you just input the number with the country code and you save up. All you have to do is just add the country code to the number you want to save. Let's say I want to add the number from Nigeria. Alright, so I'm going to go to my Google and search for Nigeria country code. Alright, +234. So now we're going to add a number. So alright, so I'm going to name this number YouTube number and then save. So now I'm gonna go to my WhatsApp and search for this number. All right, here we go. As you can see, we've added this international number to our WhatsApp and it's straightforward and easy. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.